When your Bradford White water heater leaks from the top, quick identification of the source is crucial to prevent further damage. Let's examine the most common leak locations. First, check the pipe fittings at the inlet and outlet connections. These dielectric nipples can loosen or corrode over time, causing leaks at the top of the tank. The temperature and pressure relief valve, typically located on the side or top of the tank, is another common leak source. This safety valve releases water when pressure or temperature gets too high. The cold water inlet valve, where the main water line enters the heater, can develop leaks if fittings become loose or corroded. Inspect this connection carefully. The expansion tank collects excess water from thermal expansion. Check both the tank itself and its connecting fittings for leaks. Tighten loose fittings or replace the tank if it's damaged. Finally, inspect the top of the tank itself for holes caused by corrosion. If you find rust or holes in the tank, this indicates internal corrosion and the entire water heater will need replacement. Remember, identifying the exact source of the leak is the first critical step. Once located, you can determine whether it's a simple tightening job or requires component replacement. Before attempting any repairs on your Bradford White water heater, safety must be your top priority. Always turn off the power supply to prevent electrical hazards. For basic DIY fixes, start by tightening any loose pipe connections with a wrench. If you identify a faulty valve that's causing the leak, it should be replaced rather than just tightened. Regular maintenance prevents most leak problems. Annually, drain and flush your water heater to remove sediment buildup. In hard water areas, do this every 6 to 12 months. Test your temperature and pressure relief valve yearly and inspect the anode rod every 2 to 3 years, replacing it when necessary to prevent tank corrosion. Know when to call a professional plumber. If you cannot identify the leak source, encounter complex issues with burners or heating elements, or notice signs of overpressurization like loud noises or excessive steam, contact a qualified technician immediately. These situations can be dangerous and require professional expertise.